Hey gang, this is Randy with RANDOG1951. Yeah, moved into my house yesterday. We recorded everything, so it's legally mine. I was given the keys. We did a walk around, and there's still a few things wrong. The builder's going to come out and address a few things. However, there's something that I cannot hold off on. The back door. So here's what's going on. I'm going to try to reverse the camera. Always have a problem with this. Well, right guys, we're just going to turn you around. And here we go. Okay. All right. Hopefully you can see what I'm talking about. Here's my rear door. And we have a doorknob, deadbolt, and what's called a sweep at the bottom. That helps prevent cold and hot air coming through. Well, what's happening is when they installed the floor, it's too tight. And as you can see, hopefully, you can see where it's pulling the vinyl away from the threshold. And that's bad. It's just going to get worse. I'm going to have to make something, maybe a stainless steel piece of metal. At this time, I sure wish I had what's called a brake. And you just form the metal yourself. So, here's the plan. Maybe some of you have done this before, maybe not. I take, here, bring it around. Okay, let's see. Nail punch. Those. Okay. Let's see. And we take the nail punch. Let's see, upside down and backwards here. And there's 3 pins. 1, 2, and then the third at the bottom. Take the nail punch, punch that up. There's a head up here. Continue. Then I can pull the door off. And I'll be pulling the door off, and I'm going to trim that sweep before it runs the floor. And that'll be a real pain in the butt. Believe you me, if that rips. See, there's glue coming. Yeah. They didn't put enough glue down, number one. I didn't notice this on the walkthrough until just now. I'm up close and personal, as we say. So, yeah. What this needs is, I'll fix that. I'll get a cove molding, kick plate, finish that up. Yeah, there's a number of things that are wrong. I love the house, though. I just love it. Oh, one of these days I'll learn how to use this camera or get something that it's easily, I can go front to back. Anyway, you see where hopefully you can see the bottom piece of siding. I asked him what kind of wood it was when I came out the first time, and he says it's wood. Well, I've had experience with something like that in the 70s, 1977 to be exact, 78. And it's a cellulose fiber product. And the problem being, it expands and contracts a lot. My house came with, I didn't build that one, but it came with T pieces where the siding butts up to one another. And what's happening is those T pieces would pop out and off, so I just fill it up with silicone to prevent leakage. And below that window out there, and on the other side of the garage. So I'm just going to see what happens. Pain in the butt. So anyway, I'm going to get this done, and I'll show you. This will be one of 2 videos. And yeah, we're going along 5.5 minutes. So I'll pull the door off, show you how I cut the sweep, and thanks for checking in. This is what my house is looking like so far. It's we got the small little refrigerator. It works for me and the dog. I scored on a beautiful, I think it's beautiful, Ethan Allen sofa. They advertised it. It came out of a $700,000 home. They had 2 of them. I'm guessing I got the worst of the 2, but it looks brand new. I worked in the furniture business for right around 17 years total. And rarely did I sell a sofa that cost $2,400. I think I did once, and it was a leather sofa all around. Total leather, no leather and vinyl. But because we had a delay, the loan company did not have appraisers, so we had to extend for 30 days. However, it ended up being 3 weeks. So there it is. I got to show you guys something if you haven't been to it. I had never seen one of these before. I've seen the Japanese types that are electric, and they have the bidet and they warm the seats, but last time I went to one of the big supply houses, these are everywhere. So I love it. Who would have thunk? And I'm going over to my storage unit today, by the way. Happy Thanksgiving. So, if I'm pointing the camera correctly, there you go. Hey there, YouTube. And please subscribe. Give me one of those thumbs up. I'm in season 4, and God only knows what episode I'm on. So, anyway, thanks for checking in. I appreciate it. And I'll show you how this door goes. And, happy Thanksgiving. Bye for now. Take care and be safe.